In the 2 months that we've been open, we've done well over 4,700 pizzas so far. It's a good amount of pizzas. The issue is storing the dough. My name is Gareth Hope. I'm the executive chef at the Royal George in Tintern. The garden area is one of the highlights of the hotel. Just as the sun is setting, you turn the corner to see the wood-fired pizza oven on the go and the open fire pits. We use the same food philosophy through the whole hotel. It's very good ingredients, treated very well. The pizzas are a good example where we use a very basic but very good sauce. We crush some plum tomatoes with a bit of oregano and some salt and some oil, and that's it. We've got some great locally sourced meats that go on top of some of them. We've got our own honey. Our bees are in the corner of the garden making some honey. The pizzas are stretched to order, topped and then roasted in a 400-degree oven, cooked nice and fresh in under a minute, and out they go. So we needed an oven big enough to be able to deal with the demand of pizzas. You know, on the peak days, we've done about 130, 140 pizzas. But we also needed it to be able to retain the heat well enough so that on the quieter days, we're not plumbing wood into it one after another. It needed to hold its temperature for a long amount of time, so it needed to be efficient with the wood, so well insulated, large surface area to cook 2 or 3 pizzas at the same time. And like I say, deal with the demand. Sometimes, you know, it's 5, 10, 15, 20 pizzas on at the same time. It's one after another, and you're constantly cooking. So the oven needed to be able to hold the temperature for a long time at a high temperature. We had some great designers here who were very particular about how things look. It's smooth, it's clean, it's professional, it looks the part in the middle of this fantastic garden. When the fire's roaring, it looks even better. So there was a lot to take into consideration when picking the pizza oven. The practicality and the ability for it to do its job was number one, but it also had to look smart and in place as well. Through the summer, it did really well. There's been a lot of times when you couldn't get a seat in the garden. The inside was full, the outside was full, and the buzz out here and the vibe out here was incredible. The music was playing, the garden was full, just waves of people wanting to come and witness and experience the place. It was fantastic, and then to have the equipment to be able to do it was even better. I'd highly recommend a pizza oven and Alfa pizza ovens. It's done exactly what it's needed to. It's a good oven, it works well, and I've got full confidence in it coming over the next couple of years. So if you're ever in the area and you're swinging by, please feel free, come on in, make some memories, enjoy yourself in the garden, grab a pizza and grab some local beer.